fuck is up, YouTube? It's RPBMX here doing another bike check with some fresh parts. Let's see, I got the Odyssey Dirt Path P Light tire and the 20.20. I got some Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, black. I got the Shadow Interlock V2 chain. I got another Odyssey tire, the Path tire. I got an FBM hub guard, which works awesome. And finally I got a pair of Mutiny pegs, which are awesome too. Now I will have to order or buy a new back wheel because the bearings in this one are pretty much trash, as you can hear. So yeah, that's my bike check. See y'all later.